Weird thing you have ever done for love.
I ate a man's ass. Yeah.
Mbona ulifanya hivyo?
Mbona nilifanya hivyo? Si ni mbambe. Sijui mnasikia poa mkifanyiwa hivyo.
Yeah.
Wanasikia poa akifanyiwa hivyo.
What?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What's your biggest turn off on a first date?
Biggest turn off on my first date. Skinny jeans. A small wallet.
Where?
And a bad breath. Definitely.
What's your type?
What's my type? Old and rich. Old and rich, definitely. Old and rich.
Wababas ama vijana wa barabara?
Hapana, vijana wa barabara mi sitaki. Nataka wababas. Unasikia wababas?
Yeah.
All men with big tummies. I'm your babe.
Mbona unataka wababas lakini si vijana?
Wababas wako romantic, wako na ile mentality ya kitambo, wanajua kutreat a lady. Yeah, they know when you need something. These new guys, they think all ladies need is just a fucking good sex session and that's it.